Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we got another episode of Simple and Effective Tech. We got some new accessories from Torras. Now you can pick these up online. I'll throw the links up in the description. Let's get right into it. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love
White shoes.
my white shoes.
Calm down. Okay, now on a side note, if you like what you see, click the link in the description. I got a discount code that's going to save you 10%. So we keeping those Black Friday deals alive. All right, so let's get started. Now the holiday season is right around the corner. Everybody's going to get a brand new phone. Samsung, Google, Apple. You know these phones do not come with chargers. So the first thing you want to get is a charger. So we got the Torras Ice Nano Fold Pro. Now this one is going to run you $25. This is 30 watts, GaN, gallium nitride. That means smaller package, bigger charge. All right, so let's get and check this one out. Let me grab a little unboxing knife. West Side Story. Here we go. Right. Okay. $25 on this. And again, hit that discount code, save 10%. Okay, so here's what you get inside. This is just going to be a nice portable travel charger. Now let me peel this plastic off. Okay. One more. Little plastic struggles, but we got through it. Now, one of the things that I love about these kind of chargers, foldable prongs. Okay, if you ever put one of these in your pocket and sat on these, you know it's not going to be a good day. So when you travel, fold this up. Okay, so this is going to be 30 watts. Perfect for your iPhones and your Galaxies. Let's get and try this one out real quick. Matter of fact, let's grab a little plug right here. And we're going to plug this in. Let me grab a cable real quick. Hold on. Okay, so for cables, we got the Torras Ice Flow. Now these are going to run you $20. They come in black or white. This is 60 watts fast charge. Now each cable is 6.5 feet long. Okay. Oh, now check this out. Look at the quality of this cable. Beautiful. Oh, this is actually kind of sick. Okay. Has a little cable management clip. A little piece of Velcro right here. Let's go ahead and slap this in. USB Type-C to USB Type-C. I love how it's coated. Let's grab a phone. Plugs right in. Charging up. Okay. Now, like I said, it comes in black or white. Oh, now, again, I don't know if y'all can see this on camera, but these cables are coated. Okay, 6.5 feet long, USB Type-C to USB Type-C, excellent quality. And these are going to work on your Galaxies, your Pixels. Okay, there's the Pixel, charging up. Let's try Galaxy. Okay, now my Galaxy is on 100%, but it's definitely charging up. As you can see, fully charged. Okay, so these are the Ice Flow cables. Simple and effective tech. Let's keep it moving. All right, so next up, we got the Torras Flex line. Now this one is going to run you $40. Now this is a 40-watt dual charger with a retractable cable. Let's check this one out. Now this is what I like to see right here. Built-in cable. 40 watts GaN. Okay, you peel this plastic off. All right, so here's how this one looks. Has a nice glossy finish to it. You got the foldable prongs, perfect for travel. And check this out. Dual charging. So you got a USB Type-C and a retractable USB Type-C. Let's see how long this one gets. Okay, nice and long. And when you're done, it retracts and has a little magnet right here. So let's get and plug this one in. Okay. Let's try the retractable cable first. Plug in an iPhone. That's charging up. Let's grab one of these cables. High Shoes try to fight me just now. And let's grab another iPhone and plug this one in. And that's charging up as well. So we're charging two devices at the same time. Then when you're done, we're just gonna unplug this. When you're ready to travel, take this one out, You're just gonna unplug it, retract the cable, fold the prongs, store it right in your bag. The textbook definition of simple and effective tech. Okay, so these are two nice chargers and some cables for your travel bag. Let's keep it moving. All right, so next up, we got the Torras Go Mini Mag Qi 2 Power Bank. Now this one is gonna run you $50. This one is Qi 2 certified. That's the new charging standard. This one has 10,000 milliamps of battery power. Now it's only 0.6 inches thick. It's gonna wirelessly charge your device at 15 watts, and you got 30-watt USB output charging. $50 on this one. Let's go ahead and check this one out. Okay, so inside, let's see what you get. Comes a little cable. Now this is gonna be USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Of course, usual books and shit. And this is gonna be your charger. Now let me peel the plastic off. All right, so here's how it's gonna look. A little bit bigger than the credit card, fits right in the palm of your hand. Now, like I said, this is 0.6 inches thick. On one side, you got a little power button. So if you tap it once, you have 4 LEDs. That's gonna show your battery percentage. On one side, USB Type-C charging slot. Everything else, nice and clean. Matte feel on this, no fingerprints. And this is MagSafe, compatible with Qi 2 wireless charging standards. All right, so let's grab a phone, slap this right on. And as you can see, charging up immediately. Now this is gonna give you 15 watts of wireless charge. Now if you want the 30 watts, all you gotta do, plug in the cable, and then plug it into your phone. Let's exit out of that. And now you're gonna get the 30 watts faster charge. Okay, now you can also charge 2 devices at the same time. So as you can see, this one is charging up. Let's grab a pixel. And this one is charging up. So we're charging 2 devices at the same time. I'm gonna take that off so I can see that again. Slap it on the back. That's charging up. iPhone's still charging up. Now check this out. You can also charge smaller products. Let me grab some AirPods. Oh, I got some right here. Pull these out of the case and slap it right on the back. There it is. Charge up your AirPods and let's charge up a phone at the same time. There it is. 2 devices at once. This is pretty dope. All right, so this is the Go Mini Mag, 10,000 milliamps. They also sell a smaller version, 5,000 milliamps, for $40. This works exactly the same. Let's keep it moving. All right, so a few more things I wanted to mention. Now, these will fit the smaller iPhones. Here's a regular iPhone 16. It does fit. And here's an iPhone 16 Pro. And it also features pass-through charging. So what does that mean? If you notice, I'm charging the iPhone and charging the battery at the same time. See the lights flashing? Pass-through charging. Next up, we got the Torras O-Stand Polar Circle. Now this one is gonna run you $50. This is a 15-watt Qi 2 wireless charger. Now this one has semiconductor cooling system, fast wireless charging, and you got 360 and 120 degree adjustable rotating bracket. $50 on this one. Let's check this out. Okay. Now inside, usual books and shit, plug them and follow them. Here we go. Okay, now check this out. It comes with a nice long USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable. Okay, let's go ahead and plug this in. Okay, just like that. Bang. And here it is. Qi 2 certified. Peel off the plastic. This is going to be your stand for the outside. And there's actually a fan on the inside. So let's go ahead and plug this in and see how it works. Okay, now let me slap a phone on. Oh, look at that. When you put the phone on, you got a little LED I don't know if y'all can hear it. You can actually hear the fan spinning on the inside. And let's see. Let me pull this. All right, let's try that again. I want y'all to see the actual charging animation. Okay, there's your charge animation. And this rotates 360 degrees. So if you want to, you can use it like this. Okay? Or you can use it like this. Just like that. So you can use it in portrait mode. That's how it's going to look on the back. Or landscape mode. When you're watching your videos, and it's going to keep your phone nice and cool. That is pretty dope. Okay? That is pretty dope. Let me pull this off. Now, just in case you want to know, it will work for a Galaxy. Fully charged up. And it will work for a Pixel. Any phone that you have that has wireless charge, if you got the case, this is going to work. And then you can rock out just like that. This is epic. The build quality, though. Let me slap this back on the iPhone, matter of fact. Got another iPhone. Slap this on. There's your LED light. Okay? And you get your wireless charge. All right, shoes came in extra hot just now. Okay, so this is the Torras O-Stand Polar Circle. Like I said, $50. Hit the link in the description. Make sure you get that discount code. But this is going to be perfect for gaming. Okay, if you're rocking out like this, keep your phone nice and cool. Oh, look, I want y'all to see something real quick. I just felt that. Let me grab the temperature gun. Look at the back of that. The back of that. In the 50s. Yeah, it's cold to the touch. Okay? Cold to the touch. Oh, this actually works. All right, let me slap this on. I'm going to let it sit for a minute. All right, so I had this sitting for about 10 minutes. And I don't know if y'all can hear this. I'm going to put it right by the mic. Listen to the fan spinning. Let's check the temperature of the actual phone with the case on it. As you can see, in the 60s. Let's try the top of the phone. In the 60s. Pop this off. Low 60s, but the back. Okay, the back of this in the 40s. This actually works, and y'all can see, cool to the touch. All right, so let's keep it moving. All right, so before we get out of here, I want to shout out Torras for sending me the Explorer's Gearbox. Check this out. Inside, we got two of my favorite cases. We got the O-Stand Spin and the O-Stand R case. These are cases that I actually use in real life. All right, so let's see how they look. This is the black version, clear, okay, and the textured feel on the back of this one. Now, this one has the spinning ring, and this one has the ring that goes all the way around. Now, if you're wondering why I like this case so much, it's not just because I like using my phone like this, or I like spinning it around and using it like this. These cases have the magnetic ring. Let me show you why I love them. Now, here's another one of my favorite features about this case. Check this out. Sticks right to the side of your car. How dope is that? So this way, if you want to do some FaceTime calls, maybe do a vlog, take some selfies, put it right in your car, and rock out just like that. That is pretty sick. All right, check this out. Now, this will also work in your kitchen. So say you want to make some kitchen vlogs, some cooking videos, this will slap right on your refrigerator. FaceTime calls, selfies, whatever you want to do, just like that. This is epic. The thing that I really love about this case is how strong the magnet is on the back. That makes it perfect for your MagSafe car chargers. Slaps on just like that. If I drive around, it's not going to fall off. Same thing, if I put it on this one, use it for GPS. I love this case. Do it landscape mode. Do it landscape mode. Look at that. Landscape mode. Landscape mode. This case is so tough, yo. Mike, what you think about this case?
It's cool. He need to hurry up and drop the video so I can take it.
Mike, what the case? I got you. Now, inside the gearbox, they also sent a tempered glass screen protector. Okay, now they also sell these on Amazon, $30. Let me show you how these look. I use these all the time. Okay, come with a little installation kit. Let me get and slap one of these on my phone. Now the screen protector comes with the installation kit. Put your phone on, just peel this off, and you're gonna get bubble-free installation. Let's get and drop the black case on, and here's how it's gonna look. One of my favorite combos right here, and then you rock out with your videos like this. Pretty sick. Now they also sent the Loop Go Flex. Let's check this one out. Okay. Been getting trolled by the packages today, but it is what it is. Okay, check. Now this is what I like to see right here. Check this out. Let me show you how this works. Now y'all see me review similar products in the past. This is gonna be perfect for when I'm riding my bike or riding one of my electric scooters through the neighborhood. You could rock this around your neck like this. Oh, this one is nice and thick. Giggity. Extra adjustable. Okay, and when you want to rock this, you're just going to take your case off. You're going to put this piece right here, right in the bottom. Okay, put it through the hole. Slap this in. There's a lot of giggity moments in this video, I know. Just like that. Then you're going to clip this on. Actually came with two. One is clear. Matter of fact, we'll just leave that one on so we don't lose it. Clip this on the bottom like this. And now you can rock your phone around your neck, hanging on your bag. Go crazy. And this one is actually super thick. I know. And adjustable. Okay, I am feeling this one. My shoes back up. All right, let's kind of wrap this video up. This is pretty dope, though. All right, so this is another episode of Simple and Effective Tech. Check out these new Torras accessories. And if you like what you see, check that link in the description and get that 10% off. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.